To my viewers, my topic today is about exponential equations. This topic is under college algebra. This math is intended to the grade 9 students and the college students who are taking up college algebra. So I have here 81 raised to the power of r minus 1/4 is equal to 1 over 9 raised to the negative 5. First thing to do is I will put at the top by using the index law. So this will be 81 raised to the power of r minus 1 over 4 is equal. This one will be the first. So take note, if this is negative, this will be positive. Okay? So I will make this one as 9 so that I can cross out if the base are the same. So this will be 9. Okay? This will be raised to the power of 2 and the existing exponent is r minus 1 over 4 is equals to 9 raised to the power of 5. Okay? So they have the same base. So this will be crossed out. So I have now 2 circle brackets r minus 1 over 4 is equal to 5. Okay? So I need to divide to make it shortcut. Divide 2 both sides. 2 will be crossed out. So I have r minus 1 over 4 is equals to 5 over 2. Then solving for r. r is equals to 5 over 2. Then negative 1/4 transposed to the right side. This will become positive 1 over 4. Now, find the LCD between the denominators. So 2 and 4, LCD will be 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. So this will be 11 over 4. So my r is equal to 11 over 4. Now let us check this one if this is correct. So we will use the equation, which one? This one, okay, from the given. Okay, this will be 81. R will be 11 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 9 raised to the negative 5. So 81. So similar fraction. So this will be common denominator. So this will be 11 minus 1. So this will be 1 over 9 raised to the negative 5. So 81, this will be 81, this is 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 over 4 is equal to 1 over 9 raised to negative 5. So this will be 81. 10 over 4 reduces 1, so divide by 2, this is 5. Then this is 2. This is 81. My base is 81. And then 1 over 9 raised to negative 5. So what do you mean that 5 over 2? So meaning square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9. Right? Because when we say 5 over 2, meaning half times 5. So as we know that half is square root. Okay? So square root of 81 is 9. And then I have now 5 is equals to 1 over 9 raised to negative 5. So in this case, I can do this one as to make left side, this will be 9 raised to 5 is equal to 1, 9 raised to the negative 5. If I will apply index laws or law of exponents, so this will be 1, 9 raised to the negative 5 is equal to 1, 9 raised to the negative 5. So they are equal. So meaning my r, which is 11 over 4, is absolutely correct. And that's all.